Everyone, this is Craig Durr, Chief Analyst and founder of the Collab Collective, and I want to welcome you to InfoComm 2026. Now, one of the things I love to do at these type of events is introduce you to new and interesting products and solutions that I found. And I have a great one that's not really new, but it might be new to you because it was new to me, and I want to introduce you to it. So a couple of gentlemen to walk me through it are here. Garrett Gladden, how are you doing?
Very well.
Chief Product Officer.
Great to see you, Craig.
Kevin Adkisson, how are you doing?
Great. How are you?
And these guys are both with the best company name, Collective. I only say that because of the Collab Collective, but that's okay. But you guys have this really interesting platform that I find really intriguing. It's the Kollective Experience Platform, KXP, right?
Mm-hmm. That's right.
I want to learn more about it, but we have a session to go to.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and head down there and learn about it. So, Kevin, you've got this relatively new role here.
That's right.
And you're walking into a really powerful platform. Why don't you explain to me and the audience, what is KXP?
You know, what the best part about this is you walked up and said, this is new but old, but it's exactly that.
Yeah.
This is a technology, a platform, a company that's been around for almost 20 years.
Right.
But what we figured out along the way as we're doing CDN for some of the biggest companies in the world,
right,
is we actually have a platform where we can track and analyze every single collaboration event, Teams meetings, across video, audio, input and output, score it, correlate it, and automate it. It's a huge opportunity for us. But you know what else, man?
Yeah.
We're bigger than that. Because we're thinking about solving bigger problems, not just that.
In which way?
We're looking at the entire ecosystem.
Okay.
The entire collaboration ecosystem. So while we're managing and scoring and automating the collaboration experience data from the users, what else is going on? You have the entire network.
Right.
Who's kicking off telemetry about what's happening at the network at the packet level. You have the entire endpoint ecosystem that's kicking off telemetry about what's happening there. We're taking that data and hydrating.
I love that word. I was waiting for you to use that word.
We're hydrating.
This is your word.
It's a Garrett word.
Well.
I'm completely stealing this word from Garrett.
It's just healthy to hydrate.
It's good. It's good. We're going to keep going to your session straight down that way.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
So hydrate. What do you mean by hydrate this data? What does that mean?
Yeah. So there's a lot that happens with real user monitoring, especially around collaboration, where there are just, in a lot of enterprises, we're talking about millions and millions of experiences every single day across a large estate. So each one of those is producing sometimes some fairly unique data at one part of the network, or maybe in an MTR, a room somewhere, or perhaps it could just be looking at a group of users. And so you have all of these different things that matter a lot to a business when it comes to the insights on what you're managing in your collaboration footprint.
I love it.
And so what we do is, as all of those experiences are happening at the edge of the network, from a coffee shop. Yeah. I'm always on my truck in the morning, dropping my daughter off for school.
Okay.
But as all those experiences are happening, what we do is we recognize where that person is, what type of device they're on, what type of context really they're experiencing that collaboration experience with, and bring into it what network they're on.
And you do this
and then hydrate that in the middle so that you actually have answers from the moment that record of that user's experience comes in.
I got it.
You know what to do with it.
And these are like in almost concentric circles. You have, for example, as you leaned into the Teams, you have the Teams ecosystem platform experience. Then you can add the devices in those spaces. Yeah. And now you're talking about a group of, you call them VIP users.
It could be VIP users. You could even say that it's sales teams. It could be a business unit. You could, I'm just saying. You could have a group of problem users that are reporting a lot of issues and connecting to teams, and you just want to watch them specifically. You want to kind of really get into that and figure out what's going on there and how do we get over that hump.
And the thing I love is that you are doing this agentless.
Completely.
You are leveraging a Microsoft Graph API, but you're solving some of those delay in data problems and giving near real-time feedback to that administrator who's looking at this, right?
Yeah, that's exactly it.
And this is something you've been doing for these large enterprises for now. But what caught my eye is now your new route to market. You are actually looking to partner with MSPs to do this as well, too. Tell me about that.
Yeah, well, so you talked about the concentric circles.
Yeah.
We actually think it's a virtuous cycle.
Oh, okay.
So the more you run this, all of a sudden the data itself becomes the value, right? The more we hydrate that data, the more intelligent it becomes.
Got it.
So if you think about the way MSPs work, there's real value in their ability to actually be smarter with the data and the way that they interact with their with the users who are working in their environments. We feel like we can offer them a very real value.
I love it. So if people want to learn more, where would they go?
I mean, the place I'd start is collective.com.
With a K, not with a
K.
K.
Collective with a K, to be edgy. Yeah, so just go to collective.com. You can either engage with us straight from there. We've got a really easy way to get in touch there.
Right.
We're all over LinkedIn as well.
I love it.
And then you can always usually find us at this one. We're kind of free range.
Yeah.
So
an event like
not
this.
A booth, but if you're here at InfoComm, come see us. But if you're at any of the other major collaboration trade shows, we're at all of them.
And this is where I met up before and saw you guys. So KXP, the Collective Experience Platform, honing in on the collaboration experience, Microsoft Teams ecosystems. It's someone to keep an eye on. I love it. Garrett,
Craig,
Kevin, I appreciate the time.
Absolutely.
It was great. Everyone, this is Craig Durr. This is a really cool insight to a new solution or a new old solution. Look out for it. And we'll bring you some more updates from InfoComm 2026. Thanks again. Take care.